Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Facebook account for suspicious logins. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Facebook login page. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, click on the downward facing arrow in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Security and Login. Here, you'll find various security options related to your account. Scroll down to the section labeled where you're logged in. This section shows all the active sessions on your account. Review the list carefully for any unfamiliar devices or locations. If you spot anything suspicious, click on the three dots next to that session. Select Log Out to terminate the session. Next, return to the Security and Login page. Look for the option labeled Setting up Extra Security. Click on Use Two-Factor Authentication. Follow the prompts to set up this additional layer of security. You can choose to receive codes via text message or an authentication app. After setting up two-factor authentication, proceed to check your recent login alerts. Scroll to the Get Alerts About Unrecognized Login section. Make sure the alert options are enabled. You can choose to receive notifications via email or text message. Finally, review your privacy settings to ensure your account visibility is secure. Once everything is set, you'll have greater protection against suspicious logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.